back, everybody, and we got another product review for you today, and it's going to be on this right here. And this is what it is. We'll open this up, we'll take a look at it, and very simple product review. It's just going to be on these grow bags. They're 5-gallon grow bags, at least that's what they're supposed to be. And I don't know, this it says 24 pack. Let me read what it says on here really quick. So you could read it for yourself, but I'll just read if there's any highlights on there. It says made with high quality, better than plastic, prevents circulating roots. I guess like roots that circulate on the bottom. Durable and reusable, easy to move. I like that, easy to move. So let's open that up. There's the card that they come with. You know, just you can pause it there if you want. Make sure it's in frame. And good enough. It's got a nice chemically smell. Oh, great. There's supposed to be 24 in here. So they come like that. You got a deal like that. Yeah, there's 24 in this thing. Now, am I a big fan of these type of systems? I'm open. I never used them before, actually. So it's going to take me a couple of years to get used to it. So this will come in like this. You'll get these bands on there. And you're going to get 24 of these bags. They're supposed to be reusable. And basically, okay. Okay, so they look just like this. Oh, that's pretty nice. It says 5-gallon, but it's, I don't know, it doesn't look 5-gallon to me, but you got 2 handles on it. You got to fill it up with dirt. So you got 2 handles, so you can lift it up and carry it. I like that concept. The material itself looks pretty good. It's some kind of, I don't know, it doesn't look like polyester or anything like that. Rayon, poly, I don't, you know. It's not plastic. I'm not sure what the fiber is made of. I don't think it's organic. The good thing about this is that it drains, number one. Number two, what I really like about this concept with these is you wash them out when you're at the end of the year when you're done, and get them all together, and then fill up your washing machine and just put a whole bunch of bleach in there. Don't use laundry detergent. Use bleach. And that's it. Maybe some organic soap for, you know, for your garden or something like that that'll wash out. But it'll purify and get any funguses or mildews away from the year before. So that's how it'll come. You're going to get 24 of these in this package. I did pay that much for it, so I'm not sure. So yeah, you got 24 in here. Let's go outside and fill one of those up. All right, so let's fill it up. Let's put our plant in here. That's Maja. little shake. And that's it. Hopefully you see that. Back out a little bit. And that is that. You can lift it. See you back inside. Okay, so as you can see, I filled it in like literally 2 seconds. Now the soil was a little on the wet side, so it's been raining out for, I don't know, maybe the last 14 days every single day. So even though I covered up the soil, it still managed to get wet anyway. So, so it was a little bit hard for me to kind of fill it. But if the soil is dry, I could have filled that much easier. But as you can see, it's just a couple of shovelfuls and you're good. So these pails, they're not very deep, but you don't really need them very deep for what you want. I actually like these a lot. I'm going to be doing more of these. I'm going to be doing 50% of the self-watering containers, and I'm going to fill up the rest of these. And we're going to plant the, more tomatoes, maybe a couple pepper plants, and try some of the other plants in here and really see what we can do with it. I might even try potatoes in one of these. I think I could still get blue potatoes. So I might do the blue potato thing. And the only thing is, when you first open them, you got to kind of fill up the bottom of the thing with soil first, and then you just drop your plant in it, you're done. And you should be good. Now these are considered 5-gallon. To me, they look a little shallow for that, but okay, it works. It's actually pretty good. It's holding close to 5 gallons worth of soil. And I'll show you I'll show you once I get them all filled in. I'll show you at the end of the video a couple of snapshots of what they look like and how to plant. So I got to let a couple days go by so they kind of pick up. It's just been raining, and the plants they're kind of, they're getting soaked. So I may not even have any plants by the end of this video. So, but we'll try to get them all set up, and then we'll give you a picture. So anyway, guys, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick these bags up. This, again, is a 24-pack, and you'll be able to get them on Amazon. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.